Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. If you have a time, you should also try to read. PM Modi to address BJP booth workers on January 22. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will engage with Bharatiya Janata Party booth level workers in the national capital through the Namo application as part of the party's campaigning in the run-up to the Delhi Assembly elections. The event will kick off with the slogans "Meri Mera booth sabse Majboot. My booth is the strongest." With voting in Delhi scheduled for February 5, Prime Minister Modi will address the Mera booth सबसे मजबूत program ahead of the elections on January 22 at 1 p.m. Prime Minister Modi will share key strategies for success with the party's booth workers in this campaign. He will directly communicate with the booth workers, motivating them to ensure a victory for the party in Delhi. Ahead of the polls, political parties have intensified their campaigns. BJP has also ramped up its efforts to form the government with leaders now actively participating in the campaigning. Earlier on Friday, BJP launched the party's Sankalp Patra for the Delhi Assembly elections with a key focuses on improving healthcare, empowering women, supporting senior citizens, and ensuring better access to essential services. The party pledged to roll out new schemes and enhance existing ones to create a more inclusive and supportive environment for the people of Delhi. BJP National President and Union Minister JP Nadda launched the party's Delhi Assembly election manifesto on Friday. Among the major promises, the BJP announced a series of welfare initiatives
Making me water.
for women, starting with the provision of six nutritional kits and Rs 21,000 in financial assistance under the Matrivata Suraksha Yojana to ensure the health and well-being of pregnant women. Under the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, the BJP has proposed monthly financial assistance of Rs 2,500 for women in Delhi, aimed at empowering them economically. To support low-income families, the BJP promised to provide LPG cylinders at Rs 500 to women from such households. The party also committed to offering one free cylinder each on the occasions of Holi and Deepavali. The manifesto also highlighted the party's focus on healthcare with a promise to implement the central government's Ayushman Bharat Yojana in Delhi, providing free treatment up to Rs 5 lakh. The state government would add another Rs 5 lakh cover for low income households, ensuring comprehensive medical care, among other key promises. Nadda called the manifesto a foundation for a developed Delhi, expressing confidence in winning the upcoming assembly election. Thank you guys for watching.